Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Nasir Ahmad Mahbub and welcome again to the Vedantech YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to reset the Dahua IP camera as well as how to reset the Dahua NVR. Now we would like to reset IP camera password. Now you can see I connected one camera with the NVR showing the invalid username or password. So if we go to the main menu in camera section, if I click the edit option, I have entered device information but it's not connecting. Now we would like to formatting the camera itself for reconnecting with the Dahua NVR. Now we would like to reset the IP camera. It has the reset function as well as we can add a memory right here. Then we have to open this. Here you can see its reset button. For resetting the camera, we can push this reset button
from 3 to 10 seconds.
This is another type of IP camera. We are resetting this camera as well. Right here we have the reset button.
We can push this reset button from 3 to 10 seconds.
After we click the reset button option, so it will automatically starting the camera itself. Click on device search option. Keep in mind that this step will take some while because we just reset the camera and after it's restarting and connecting with NVR, so it needs some times. Now you can see the camera has been appeared. Keep in mind if we didn't initialize the camera, it will do automatically initialize, but we can also check right here and start initializing the camera. Right here we have a reset button. So we will push this reset button and just connecting the power cable till we will receive the beep sound. Now you can release it. Now we will check it. The password should be removed. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope this video will be informative for you and I will come with the most updated information on security camera.